After 1 week, our roof came out beautiful, just as EPDM told me it would. The coating laid down real nice. It came out nice and smooth, and I do believe that this roof is going to last me for a good 15-20 years, if not longer. It is absolutely just as they said, and EPDM was very helpful whenever I called in. All my questions were answered, and the product was delivered right on time. And it wasn't that difficult to lay down. It was rather simple, just a little bit time consuming, but it was well worth it, because this roof is totally restored now, and I don't have to worry about it for a long time. And I can't tell you how much I believe in this product. It is a wonderful product, and I do have faith in it that it is going to probably outlast me. So if any of you out there are interested in restoring their RV roof, this is the product to use. EPDM coatings. And that's all I've got to say. It's like I am a true believer in it. It came out beautiful, this roof. As you can see, everything is totally coated around the edges, around all of the skylights, and it's a good product. Use EPDM coatings to restore your roof, and you won't be sorry for using another inferior product. This is an unbelievably nice product to use. It's been about a week since I put the coating on, and I gave it time to work its way and settle, and so it's like I said, this is the final result. Thank you, EPDM.